Today, I got my first Louise box. My face, isn't that gorgeous? That is gorgeous. I think that's so gorgeous. Look at the light reflecting that. That is the Dobie on there. Look at that Dobie, nice and big. Who don't like a nice big Dobie? Oh, I love the shine on that. That's a nice clear with just a little bit of pink to it. Oh, it smells so beautiful. It's like a cherry smell. And it's nice and clear. That's beautiful, isn't it? It is gorgeous. I just think it's gorgeous. I love to bronze my face because I've lost 90 pounds and I like to hide those imperfections of the weight loss of the saggy skin. So I am going to have fun with this palette.